Hi everyone, welcome back to Big Coder YouTube channel. We are here to teach you Python for beginners course, and in here this playlist we are in Python for Python with sololearn.
Hi,
There is some videos in playlist. Okay, we are in this seventh video in season 2. And let's go to YouTube, sololearn website. I open this website now and I go to courses and Python for beginners. And in this season, we want to talk about special characters. Okay, let's go. New lines. In Python, if we want to create a new line, we just do this. To backslash, the backslash is also used to create new lines in text. To create a new line, we use backslash n. It's very easy. For example, we have a sentence in here and we want to have a new line in our string or in our text. So we just need to add the backslash n in our text in anywhere that we like. Okay, so like this, if we go and see the output of that code, the output or the result is like of this, and every single words are in a single line. Come back and continue. Which of the following options results in exactly two lines? Okay, this one is a third line, this one is one line, this in two line, and this is no line. So the third option, a third item is true. Tab. Similar to a new line, we can create a tab using backslash t. So if we want to use backslash t in our sentence or our text, it could help us to have a tab or four space in our text. Let's do try this one. If you saw this, there is a text that in the first of this sentence we have a tab in here and we have a tab in here also. So we know that if we want to create a tab, we just need to use a backslash t. So which is the tab symbol? Yes, this one. This one is a tab symbol. This one is a new line symbol. The next special character is carriage return. Backslash R is the carriage return symbol. Like that, print hi, backslash R, there. Backslash R is used to shift the cursor to the next beginning of the line. However, this might not work as expected in all Python environment. Let's try this code. Uh, However, you see, there is no difference between this sentence and the result because we are in code editor that we can't see this difference. However, it said uh, it might not work as expected in all Python environments. So it just do the cursor and it help the cursor to go to the first line. It means if we try this code in, for example, PyCharm, and if we run this, we saw that the cursor in our output is in here. Is the first is in the first of our result for our line, and it is the uh, work of this sign. So if backslash is called the escape character. It is the it, we read this before and we know that backslash is escape character. Escaping. What If we need to include the special character in our output, for example, what if we want to have backslash n in the output? If we want just print the backslash and we don't want to work, okay? We just need to print the backslash n like this. If we just want to say new line is backslash n, we don't want to work. Okay, we just do like this, and we just need another backslash before backslash n. Okay, if we try this, we saw that we can see all of the sentence. New line is backslash n. But if I remove one of this backslash and run the code, we saw that, oh, let's do write another in here, mm, like this. And if I run this, we saw that the new line will be created. Okay, so if we don't use two backslash, this will be happen, and it is the output of this code. Okay, come back and continue. Escaping, which of the following statement will output backslash r and backslash n correctly? Okay, we just need to use these options with an additional backslash like this. So backslash n and backslash r. What is the difference between backslash n and backslash r? Backslash n is a new line character, while backslash r is the carriage return. Okay, they differ in what use them. Windows user backslash r backslash n to signify the enter key was pressed, while Linux and Unix use backslash n. So it's different between two uh, special characters like backslash r backslash n. That it is between the Windows and Linux users. How many enters pressed in Windows does the following code present? Okay, in the Windows, I think we have 1, 2, and 3 enter because we have just 3 backslash n, and it is the last item. And new lines backslash n is useful, but it can be cumbersome if we're trying to format lots of multi-line text. There's another way through. New lines are automatically added for string created using 3 codes. Okay, there is a new way or uh, new method to write our text as we want. Okay, if we put the start and the end of our text, if we put 3 double quotes or 3 double or 3 single quotes, we can write our text however we want. Okay, so like this, if we write our codes like this, we want to write anything in uh, print uh, our print code, and we have the same result in the output like this. This is a multi-line text. Okay, and it is very easy to use. This makes it easier to format long multi-line text without the need to explicitly put the backslash n for line breaks. Okay, new lines. How many lines will the following code output? We have a line here. Look, please, guys. Every print statement in Python create a new line. Okay, so we have a line. We have 2, 3, 4. Okay, because there is a new method for printing that have three line, and there's one that we have four line in the result, three codes. When you use three codes to create text, codes do not need to be escaped. Okay, so come to try this. If we run this code, we just see all of the things that we write here in the output, because we don't need any escape signs to print these signs or slash or anything. Okay, the three codes is useful in these situations. Let's recall data types. Which of the following is a float? It's very easy. It is a string, it is a string, it is a float, it is an integer. And time to practice. If you want, you can go to practice. And if you don't want, you can solve this exercise and finish. Which character is used in Linux Unix based operating system to donate a new line? Okay, we can use backslash n as operating system to donate a new line. Lesson complete. Congratulations and finish this lesson. We go to lesson 9 in next video, and I'm glad for you that you are now here in Python course. Thank you guys. Please like the video and comment your opinion about our course. Thank you. Goodbye to the next video.